Hello students, in our today's video of subject bookkeeping and accountancy, we are going to solve one more question of dissolution under insolvency situation where two partners become insolvent. Now in our today's video, we are going to solve question number 10, page number 249 from our BK textbook. So first of all, we will read the question. Sweta, Nupur and Sanika are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now three partners are there, Sweta, Nupur and Sanika. Okay, and their profit sharing ratio is given 3:2:1. It means it is 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6 respectively for all three partners. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follows. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. We will make marking to the balance sheet. Capital account of Sweta and Nupur will be transferred to capital account credit side. So here we will write capital account credit side. Sundry creditor is outside a liability, so it will be transferred to realization account credit side. Now we will say asset side. Sundry asset will be transferred to realization account debit side. Cash at bank. Now here we have to open bank account, so cash at bank will be transferred to bank account debit side. So here we will write bank account debit. Capital account of Sanika will be transferred to partners capital account debit side. So here we will write cap debit. Now we will read adjustments. The firm is dissolved as on 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019 को फर्म क्या हो गया? डिसॉल्व हो गया, उनका बिजनेस बंद हो गया है. Sundry assets realized at 60% of its book value. Now they have realized sundry assets at 60% of book value. Okay. Realization expenses rupees 2000 paid by Sweta. Now Sweta has paid realization expenses. Okay. Nupur and Sanika both are insolvent. Now two partners got insolvent here. Okay. Nupur एंड श्वेता दोनों पार्टनर क्या हो गए? कंगाल हो गए, दोनों पार्टनर इंसॉल्वेंट हो गए हैं. ओके, सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड विथ डिसोल्यूशन अंडर इंसॉल्वेंसी सिचुएशन वेयर टू पार्टनर बिकम इंसॉल्वेंट. ओके, Nupur private estate has got a surplus of rupees 3000 and that of Sanika rupees 8000. Now Nupur के प्राइवेट इस्टेट को बेच के कितना पैसा मिला है? 3000 रुपीज. ओके, एंड सानिका का जो प्राइवेट इस्टेट था उसे बेच के फर्म को कितना पैसा मिला है? 8000 रुपीज. ओके, सो दैट इज कैश रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम बोथ इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर. दोनों इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर से थोड़ा बहुत पैसा रिकवर्ड हुआ है. ओके, आफ्टर देयर इंसॉल्वेंसी. शो नेसेसरी लेजर अकाउंट्स टू क्लोज द बुक्स ऑफ द फर्म. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर necessary ledger account. First ledger account we will prepare realization account. Okay, in second page we will prepare partners capital account, and below that we have to prepare bank account. So basically we have to prepare three accounts here, and below that we will prepare working note. Now we will start solving this question. First of all we will do posting of asset side of the balance sheet, liability side of the balance sheet. Now in liability side, capital account of Sweta and Nupur, it will be transferred to partners capital account credit side. So in partners capital account credit side, we will write by balance brought down. Sweta 65,000, Nupur 15,000. Then sundry creditor will be transferred to realization account credit side. So here we will write by sundry liabilities. By sundry liabilities. In it we will write sundry creditors. amount of sundry creditor is given 95,000. Now we will do posting of asset side. First sundry assets, it will be transferred to realization account debit side. So here we will write to sundry assets amount of sundry asset is 1,60,000. Then cash at bank, it will be transferred to bank account debit side. Here we will write to balance brought down. It is rupees 5,000. Then capital account of Sanika 10,000 rupees. It will be transferred to capital account debit side. So in capital account debit side, we will write to balance brought down. In the column of Sanika, we will write 10,000. Now after doing posting of balance sheet, we will solve all adjustments. The firm is dissolved on 31st March 2019. Sundry assets realize at the rate 60% of its book value. हमने sundry asset को कैसे बेचा है? उसके book value के 60% से बेचा है. Now book value of sundry asset is given 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 into 60%. It will become 96,000. Okay. So here in realization account credit side हम लोग sundry asset को बेच रहे हैं. So here we will write by bank account. By bank account in bracket we will write sundry assets. 96,000. Second effect we will show in bank account debit side. So in bank account debit side we will write to realization account. $96,000. Now next adjustment is realization expenses rupees 2,000 paid by Sweta. Now Sweta has paid realization expenses. Okay, so that effect we will show in realization account debit side. Here we will write to Sweta's capital account. Sweta ने realization expenses पे किया, so हमें लिखना है Sweta's capital account. In bracket we will write realization expenses. Realization expenses. It is rupees 2,000. Now second effect of payment of realization expenses by Sweta we will show in partners capital account credit side. So in capital account credit side we will write by realization account. In the column of Sweta we will write 2,000. Now next is Nupur and Sanika both are insolvent. हमारे दो पार्टनर insolvent हो चुके हैं, Nupur and Sweta. Okay. Nupur's private estate has got surplus. Surplus means cash. उनके private Nupur के private estate को बेच के हमें cash मिला है. Nupur's private estate got a surplus of rupees 3,000 and that of Sanika rupees 8,000. दोनों इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर के पर्सनल स्टेट को बेच के हमें क्या मिला? कैश मिला है. We have got rupees 3,000 from Nupur and 8,000 rupees from Sanika. Okay. So in बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट पार्टनर से हमें कैश मिल रहा है, फर्म को पैसा मिलेगा तो आपको बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट में लिखना है. टू फर्स्ट पार्टनर इज Nupur, पैसा आया है तो डेबिट करो बैंक अकाउंट को. फर्स्ट पार्टनर इज Nupur 3,000. So here we write to Nupur's capital account. $3,000 and to Sanika's capital account rupees 8,000. Okay. सो दोनों पार्टनर को मिला के हमें कितना पैसा मिला 3000 and 8000 rupees. Now second effect we will show in partners capital account credit side. So in capital account credit side we will write by bank account. By bank account in the column of Nupur we will write 3000 rupees and Sanika 8000 rupees. Okay. Now our all adjustments are over. हमारे सभी adjustment को हमने क्या किया है, पूरा किया है. Now we will check whether sundry liabilities are paid or not. We have given only one liability in this question. इस question में हमें खाली एक ही sundry liability दी थी, वो है sundry creditors, rupees 95,000. But nothing is mentioned about payment of sundry liabilities. क्वेश्चन के अंदर लाइबिलिटी के पेमेंट के बारे में, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर के पेमेंट के बारे में कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें क्या करना होगा, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर की क्या करनी होगी, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के डेबिट में जाके पेमेंट करनी होगी. ये पेमेंट कौन करेगा, फर्म करेगा. ओके, सो हियर वी विल राइट टू बैंक अकाउंट इन ब्रैकेट वी विल राइट सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स. It is rupees 96,000. Now second effect we will show in bank account credit side. So in bank account credit side we will write by realization account. $96,000. Okay. Now we will close realization account. You can see a total of debit side of realization account is greater. Realization account के debit side का total ज्यादा है. It is 2,58,000. Realization के debit side का total है not 2,58,000. Total of realization account debit side is payment of sundry creditor. Sundry creditor का पेमेंट था 95,000. सो हमें क्रेडिटर की अमाउंट यहाँ पे लिखनी है 95,000. बाय मिस्टेक वी हैव रिकॉर्ड 96,000. ओके, सो नाउ टोटल ऑफ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड का टोटल हो जाएगा 2,57,000. Okay, so total of debit side of realization account is 2,57,000, whereas total of credit side of realization account is 1,91,000. So debit minus credit, remaining amount will be 66,000. ओके, सो डेबिट का टोटल ज्यादा है, क्रेडिट का टोटल कम है, मतलब आपके एक्सपेंसेस ज्यादा है, आपका इनकम कम है, सो देयर विल बी अ लॉस. ओके, सो हियर वी विल राइट बाय पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये लॉस हम कहाँ ट्रांसफर करेंगे, पार्टनर के कैपिटल अकाउंट को. सो बाय पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इन ब्रैकेट वी विल राइट लॉस ऑन रियलाइजेशन. Okay, our three partners are Sweta, Nupur and Sanika. So 66,000 is the amount of loss. Loss is 66,000. That will be distributed among three partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. So 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. 33,000 is a loss of Sweta. For Nupur it is 22,000 and for Sanika it is 11,000. So total amount of loss is 66,000. Total of realization account credit side is 2,57,000. Now that loss in realization account credit side will be transferred to partners capital account debit side. So in partners capital account debit side, we will write to realization account. Sweta 33,000. Nupur 22,000. And Sanika 11,000. Okay. Now we will close partners capital account. But at the time of closing partners capital account, आप जब partners capital account को close करोगे, at that time you have to remember one thing. Our two partners, namely Sweta and Nupur got insolvent. हमारे दो पार्टनर यहाँ पे insolvent हो चुके हैं. So first of all we will close capital account of Sweta and Nupur. जो insolvent partner है उनके capital account को आपको पहले close करना है. And we will find out their capital deficiency. हम उनकी capital deficiency find out करेंगे. Okay? और दोनों insolvent partner की capital deficiency कौन शेयर करेगा? सानिका शेयर करेगी because सानिका is a solvent partner. Okay? So first of all we will find out or we will close Sweta's capital account. We will find out deficiency of Sweta. Our working note number 1, capital deficiency of Sweta. अब आप श्वेता की कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? सो टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड ऑफ श्वेता's कैपिटल अकाउंट इट इज 33,000 minus total of credit side of Sweta's capital account. Total of credit side of Sweta's capital account debit side of Sweta's capital account is 33,000 whereas her total of credit side of Sweta's capital account is 67,000. Okay, उसकी क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल है 67,000, डेबिट साइड का टोटल है 33,000. ओके, सो 67,000 is the total of credit side of Sweta's capital account minus total of debit side of Sweta's capital account is 33,000. Okay, so her capital deficiency of rupees 67,000 minus 33,000, it will be 34,000. ओके, श्वेता की कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी कितनी है? 34,000 है. Once again we will do correction. By mistake I have closed capital account of Sweta, जो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था, because our insolvent partner are Nupur and Sanika. So हमें किसके कॉलम क्लोज करने थे? नूपुर और सानिका के कॉलम क्लोज करने थे, उनकी कैपिटल डिफिशिएंसी फाइंड आउट करनी थी, और बाय मिस्टेक में किसका कॉलम क्लोज कर रहा हूं? कैपिटल अकाउंट का, श्वेता का. ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट टू इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर नूपुर एंड सानिका. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ नूपुर एंड सानिका. ओके, सो हियर वी विल राइट वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1, कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी of Nupur. Now first of all we will do total of debit side of Nupur's capital account, it is 22,000 minus total of credit side of Nupur's capital account, it is 18,000. Okay, so capital deficiency of Nupur is 4,000. Nupur की capital deficiency कितनी है? 4,000 है. Okay, so that deficiency, capital deficiency of 4,000 of Nupur will be met or will be shared by solvent partner Sweta. Okay, so here we will write capital deficiency of Nupur will be met by Sweta. Okay, Sweta उसे शेयर करेगी. So we will close Nupur's capital account 22,000. Okay, minus 18,000. So capital deficiency will be 4,000. Capital deficiency है उसके अकाउंट की 4,000 rupees, which will be shared by Sweta. So here we will write Sweta's capital account. Okay. Now total will become 22,000. Now second effect of capital deficiency, which is shared by Sweta, rupees 4,000, will be transferred to partner's capital account debit side. So in partner's capital account debit side, we will write to Nupur's capital account. Nupur is a insolvent partner. Okay. So partner's capital account में आप लिखोगे Nupur's capital account. In the column of Sweta, we will write 4,000. Once again, I will explain you. Nupur की capital deficiency थी 4,000. Okay. So वो capital deficiency अब कौन fill up कर रही है? Sweta कर रही है. So here we have recorded by Sweta's capital account. In the column of Nupur we have write 4,000. अब total हो गया 22,000. Now second effect जो Sweta लाई है वो हम transfer करेंगे partners capital account के debit side. Here we have recorded name of insolvent partner. Insolvent partner कौन था? Nupur. So to Nupur's capital account 4,000. Okay. In the column of Sweta हमने लिखा है 4,000. Now second, capital deficiency of second insolvent partner is Sanika. So capital deficiency of Sanika is equal to total of debit side 21,000, 10,000 plus 11,000, 21,000 minus total of credit side of Sanika's capital account 8,000. Okay. So her capital deficiency will be 13,000. Sanika की capital deficiency कितनी है? 13,000 है. Okay. So we will close Sanika's capital account. Total of debit side is 21,000. Okay. अब ये जो सानिका की deficiency है वो कौन share करेगी? It will be made by solvent partner Sweta. So once again here we will write capital deficiency of सानिका इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर है, will be made by solvent partner Sweta. Okay. So here we will write by Sweta's capital account $21,000 minus 8,000. Capital deficiency Sanika की है 13,000. So here we will write 13,000 rupees. Okay, we will close Sanika's capital account. Total is 22,000. Now second effect of rupees 13,000 which is brought by Sweta will be transferred to partner's capital account debit side. अब ये श्वेता ने पैसा किसके लिए लाया है? सानिका के लिए. So here we will write Sanika's capital account. Amount is 13,000. In the column of in the column of Sweta we will write 13,000 क्योंकि दोनों अमाउंट कौन ला रहा है? श्वेता ला रही है. पहले उसने नुपुर के लिए लाया 4,000 और सानिका के लाया 13,000. ओके. नाउ वी विल क्लोज कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर श्वेता. सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर हमारे पास एक ही वो है श्वेता, उसका हम कैपिटल अकाउंट क्लोज करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल क्लोज क्रेडिट साइड कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ श्वेता. श्वेता की कैपिटल अकाउंट की क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल है 67,000. Whereas total of debit side of Sweta's capital account it is 50,000. So 67,000 minus 50,000, balance amount will be 17,000. So that amount will be transferred to bank account. ओके, सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर के कैपिटल अकाउंट का जो भी बैलेंस होगा वो हमें बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करना है. टोटल इज 67,000. सो 17,000 will be transferred to bank account credit side now. Okay, so in bank account credit side we'll write by Sweta's capital account. $17,000. Now we will close bank account. Total of bank account debit side is 1,12,000. Now we will do total of credit side of bank account. Here we have recorded 96,000. Okay, payment of sundry creditor we have made is 95,000. sundry creditor का जो पेमेंट किया है वो हमने 95,000 किया है. So यहाँ पे हमें करेक्शन करना होगा. Instead of 96,000 we will write 95,000. Okay, so total of bank account will be 1,12,000. So our bank account is tallied now. So student, up to now we have solved two questions of dissolution under insolvency situation when two partners become insolvent. Okay, so student, once again thank you so much for watching my video.